Here we are. I can't believe it. It's the last ornament to finish this kit, and it is this reindeer ornament. However, I don't recall ever seeing a white deer, so I'm going to choose. They give you both a white or a brown, and I am choosing to make the brown deer on my cocoa mug. So here's how we start. There's the back of the mug, and then here's the cocoa. Each and every mug really has cocoa. Not really, but at least it's supposed to look like it. All right, we'll start assembling. As you might notice, I chose to do a brown deer because I thought, you know what, in truth, I don't think I've ever seen a white reindeer. So I thought that the brown deer just looked more natural. And then I am really partial to Rudolph, so I didn't do the black nose like in the picture. I made this little guy into a Rudolph. So there he is. This is the last ornament of the 6. I'll maybe I'll give you at the end here a look at all 6. Thanks for watching.